Welcome to igmGuru. igmGuru is one of the global leading online training and certification provider for IT expert by the skilled IT gurus to help them achieve their professional goals.
We'll talk about the system landscape. Okay, we're going to talk about the system landscape in SAP. Okay, so landscape is like a server system or like a layout of the servers, or some may even call it it is the architecture of the servers. SAP is divided into three different landscape. Okay, first is your development, and then is your quality, and then is your production. Okay, I will show this to you with I will show this to you with the with the diagram. Okay, so let me just go into into one Excel sheet. Okay, so I'll just create the diagram. Okay, for your development, quality, and production. That how does it look like? Okay, so let me just okay. So I'll be having three boxes. Okay, three servers I'm having. Okay, so these are your three servers. Okay, you're having your development. Okay, so you're having your dev system. Dev is your development, and then you're having your quality system. Okay, and then you're having your production. Okay, production system. I'll just tell you what is the difference. What is the difference between these system and who is using the system. Okay, so first we'll start with your development. So development has got three partitions. Okay, sandbox, sandbox system. Okay, then you're having your golden client. Okay, and then you're having your dev. And then you're having your dev. Okay, development system. In your quality, you are having your QUA quality. Okay, quality system. Okay, and then in production, you're having your pre-production. Okay, so this is your landscape designing. So first we'll start with the development. Okay, so development system is having your three partitions: sandbox, golden client, and development. In the sandbox, you're going to do the testing. Okay, you can use the sandbox. You can use the sandbox system for doing any kind of testing, like any kind of new requirement is coming from the client that they want to introduce some new business functionality. You will be doing the configuration, initial configuration that in the sandbox, and you will be doing the testing. Okay. Once the testing and everything is completed for you, then you will be going into the development client. Okay. And you will be doing the configuration in the development client, and you will be moving the configuration into development system. Okay. You will be doing it in the dev system. Okay. Once this is done, okay. Once this is done, then you will be moving the changes to okay. Let me give the diagram. Okay, so once your development is done, okay, once your development is done, you will be moving the changes to your quality system. Okay, quality system where you will be doing one testing in the quality system, that everything whatever we have configured is working fine, Okay, you are going to do the testing in the quality system. Quality system is a copy of the production system only. Okay, so you'll be having live data. Okay, you'll be having the live data in the quality system, where you can sit and do your quality testing. Okay, once you have completed the quality testing, you are going to prepare the test document and you're going to send it to the client for the approval. Okay, once the client approves, then you are going to move the changes into production. Okay, so in some companies will be having a pre-production system and a production system. In some companies, you will be having only production. Okay, they will not be needing the pre-production. They will be needing only the production system. Okay, once your changes is confirmed by the client, you're going to move the changes into production. Okay, and production system is the system which is used by the client. Okay, you as a functional consultant of SAP, you will not be working on the production system. You will be having access only to development and quality, right? You will be having access only to the development system and quality system, and the business users will be having the access to production system. Understood, Dinesh?
Yes, yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So
Mhm.
let's see this. You have so I just explained you with the example development system, quality system, and production system. Development would have multiple clients like sandbox, golden, unit testing. Okay, quality may again have multiple clients like integration testing and testing. Okay, and then you have the production. Okay, in production you have something like 200, which is production system. These names and numbers are the implementers district and on how they wanted to have been using in their previous implementation. So when you start the implementation, it is not necessary that you can give only these clients. You can give the client anything like 100, 110, 120. You can give any clients which the basis decides, and they will be giving it. Okay. Now, whatever you do in the sandbox doesn't affect other servers, clients. Okay, so like I explained you, sandbox is out of the development system. Whatever testing you're doing, whatever configuration you're doing in the sandbox, it is not going to affect the changes that you do finally in the development, right? You don't run any transactions or even use the SAP Easy Access screen on the 100 golden client. Okay, this is the configuration only. This is the configuration only client. Okay, now upon successful transport, like the business guy, you have to and you have the entire configuration in the testing client. Okay, just as it is in the golden client, the configuration remains in sync between the two clients. Okay, so but in the testing clients, you can not even access the SPRO like IMG screen. All these things are the benefits of your testing clients and your development client. Okay. So when we go into the system, like in next week, I'll be showing you how you're going to see the SPRO, IMG, all these things configuration, how you're going to do. Okay.
Okay, sure, sure.
Okay. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. For full course, please visit www.igmguru.com and enroll today.